Mathematicians, welcome to this week's Hot Topics. We are talking about perimeter. And perimeter is the distance around any shape or object. So, for example, this square that I have here, it's the distance that it takes to go all the way around it. And perimeter is useful for a ton of things. Like if you wanted to fence in your backyard, you would need to know the perimeter of your backyard so you'd know how much fence you need. If you are, like finding the size of a room and you wanted to put a border around it, you would need to figure out how big it is or how much border you would need to go all the way around it. So finding perimeter is relatively simple in its process because you just need to find the length of each side. So find the length of this side, find the length of this side, find the length of this side, and find the length of this side. And then you add them all together. So this is a square, so all the sides are the same length, but just for the sake of the argument, let's say they aren't. So let's say this one is 3 inches, and this one's 2 inches, and this one's 6 inches, and this one is 1 inch. In order to find the perimeter, you would add this side, plus this side, plus this side, plus this side. So 3 plus 2 plus 6 plus 1. And when you add all those things together, that would give you 12. So maybe it's 12 inches. So you're going to just add up each side to get the perimeter. Now, if you have a square, all the sides are going to be the same, so you could just add all the same number 4 times. But if you have a triangle, you're going to have to add all 3 sides. So you'd be adding 1, 2, 3 numbers. You're going to add as many numbers as your object has sides here. So this is a hexagon. And a hexagon is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So you would be adding 6 different numbers to get the perimeter, the distance that it takes to go all the way around. So perimeter is the distance around an object or a shape. And in order to find that, what you do is you add the sides or the lengths of all the sides. And that's how you find perimeter. So you're going to be finding perimeter this week, looking at all the sides, adding them up, and figuring out how many inches or feet or miles it is to go around that shape.